Hello student, let us move towards the next topic of last chapter, and that is what programming using Python dictionary. So let us start with introduction. So what is meant by dictionary? Python dictionary is a collection of data values. Dictionaries are used to store data values like a map. So it is nothing but a collection of data, okay, like a map. Dictionary holds key values pair. Key value is provided in the dictionary to make it more optimized. That means what? In Python, we are going to use a key value pair to make it more user friendly. That means we are going to insert a dictionary with a pair which consists of value and key. For example, one value with the key hello. Creating a dictionary. Dictionary can be created by placing sequence of elements within the curly braces which are separated by commas. That means what? Dictionary can be used with the help of curly braces. Curly brackets we have to use, in which the elements that we are going to create can be separated by using commas. Values in dictionary can be of any data type. That means what? It may be numerical, it may be alphabetical, and can be duplicated or it can be copy pasted. But keys cannot be repeated, it must be immutable. Dictionary keys are case sensitive. So let us see the example. Student, let us move towards the new topic, that is dictionary, which is used in Python. Basically, Python dictionary is a collection of data values. Dictionary are used to store data values like a map. So let us see the first program which is used to demonstrate how to create a dictionary. So for this purpose, we are going to use Pyroid 3 app for programming. Here the first programming is creating dictionary. So first and second statements are the comments, hence hash is used to create that comment, creating a dictionary with integer key. So see here, fourth number statement is like this: dict is equal to, in curly bracket, 1 colon welcome, comma 2 u 3 all. That means what? To create a dictionary we have to use curly bracket and the list which must be separated by commas. So sixth one is what? Print in dictionary with the use of integer keys. Here integer 1 2 3 keys are used to create a dictionary. So after 8 number statement, after executing print dict, you will get the message on your screen. Now the second example in the same program is what? Creating a dictionary with mixed keys. Initially we use integer keys, now we are going to use mixed keys. So 13 number statement is hence like this: dict is equal to, in curly bracket, name. Okay, so instead of integer what we use? Name key hello, then one integer and 1 2 3 4 are the values that we have to print. So after executing print dictionary dict, we are going to display the message on our monitor. So let us see the output of this program. Here we have the output. Here dictionary with the use of integer keys: 1 welcome, 2 u 3 all. So whatever we given in program, that is displayed on this monitor. So that is with the help of integer keys. The second example in the program is use of mixed keys, hence the output is like this. Here we use the mixed keys, hence the output is name hello 1 1 2 3 4. So here we finished our program. Now let us move toward the second program, that is empty dictionary. So here we have the program on Pyroid 3 editor. So let us start with the first statement, that is nothing but user defined statement, creating an empty dictionary. you just observe the third number statement. DICT is equal to curly bracket. We don't have any in curly bracket, hence it is a empty dictionary. Syntax for empty dictionary. So what must be printed on your monitor? It is fifth number statement, print in bracket empty dictionary. So whenever the seventh number statement, print in bracket DICT, is executed, your empty dictionary is printed or is displayed on your monitor. Okay. Now the second example is 9 and 10 statement, that is creating a dictionary with DICT method. Okay. So 12 number statement is like this. DICT is equal to DICT in bracket 1 welcome to you 3 also. Here we have used integer keys. So when 16 number statement, print DICT, is executed, the above dictionary will be displayed on your monitor. Now let us see the next example, creating a dictionary with each item as a pair. Now we are going to create a dictionary with a pair. Hence 21 statement is like this. DICT is equal to DICT in bracket 1 hello to all. So when 25th number statement, print DICT, is executed, so what will be the output? That I am going to explain you by pressing the triangle in yellow circle. When I press this, the message is like this. So according to your program, initially the empty dictionary is displayed in the only empty curly brackets. Dictionary with the use of DICT. So hence 1 is equal to welcome to you 3 all, which will be displayed over here. Dictionary with each item as a pair. Okay, hence the program output is like this. With this we finished our this second program. Now let us move towards the next program, that is adding element in a dictionary. So initially let us see the creating an empty dictionary that we already learned in the previous program. Hence the statement up to 7 are used to create empty dictionary. Ninth number statement is adding elements one at a time. So we are going to see the program how to add elements in the above empty dictionary. So the element statement is like this, dictionary 0, hence the first element that we have to add is welcome. DICT 2 is you, that means what we are going to add you, and dictionary 3 is 1. So print dictionary after adding 3 elements, after executing 19 number statement, that is pre-int DICT, you will get dictionary as welcome u1. Okay. So adding set values to a single key. Then now we are going to see the next example is what we have to add a set values with a single key. So hence 24th number statement is like this. DICT value set variable we are going to use is equal to 2, 3, 4. So print dictionary after adding 3 elements. So you just observed 28th number statement, print DICT, after executing this 2, 3, 4 will be added in your program. Updating existing keys value. Okay. So see here, now we are going to update the key values. Okay, DICT 2, initially DICT 2 is you, now we are going to assign DICT 2 as welcome. So instead of you, welcome will be updated in your dictionary after executing this statement. So after executing 36 number pre-int DICT statement, the second value becomes welcome in your dictionary, adding nested key values to a dictionary. Now see, nested means what? In between we have to add another one, that is what? Nested. That means what? Nested 1 hello to friends. So initially you nested will be putted and then friends. So after executing 44 statement pre-int DICT will get the dictionary with hello and friends nested output. So let us see the output accordingly. So see the first output, that is empty dictionary. Then we add elements one by one. 0 element is what? Welcome. Second is what? You. And 3 is what? 1. Okay. Now 3 elements will be added at a time with the variable value set. So the output is like this: 0 is welcome, 2 you, 3 1, and value set 2 3 4, which will be added at a same time. Okay. Update key values. Now in our program, you just recall yourself, आपण काय केलं होतं, सेकंड व्हॅल्यूला परत वेलकम केलं होतं. यूच्या ऐवजी म्हणून 0ला काय आलं वेलकम, 2ला परत काय आलं वेलकम, कारण यूच्या ऐवजी आपण काय केलं वेलकम टाकून त्याला अपडेट केलं. ओके. नंतर बघा नेस्टेडला काय आहे तर सगळे आउटपुट तेच येत आहे, फक्त नेस्टेडमध्ये 1 नंतर हॅलो येतं आणि 2ला काय येत आहे फ्रेंड येत आहे. सो विथ दिस वी फिनिश्ड आवर दिस प्रोग्राम ॲज वेल. Now let us move toward the next program, that is Python program to demonstrate assessing a element from dictionary. So we have to assess an element. Hence the uses of the 6 number statement. The dictionary is like this: 1 welcome, name for you. Okay. So welcome for you, this is your dictionary which is created. So assessing element using key. Print assessing element using key. So print dict name. So what we have to assess now, what is the assign? Name is equal to 4. This is assign in statement 6, and that name we are going to assign, we are going to assess by executing 12 number statement. Okay. Now see, assessing a element using key. Now again we are going to assess another element, print dict1. So after execute, you just observe 6 number statement, 1 is equal to welcome. So after executing 18 number statement, print dict welcome value is assessed. So let us see the output. Get it now? So see, when the first element is assessed, that is 4, and second is what? Welcome. So these two will be assessed by using this programming logic. So with this we finished our all programs related with dictionary. So let us stop now. Thank you.